Have a good day. Now I am going to present my oral presentation according to my assignment. First of all, I would like to introduce about me. My name is Chamirjaya Shakti Madhusankar, student ID 104052490, group number 1A. Now I would like to share my experience according to my SQL knowledge. This is my content. First one is create table statement, second one is insert into clause, and final one is where clause. Now I am going to explain about these three topics. Create table statement is my first topic. You can see on left side syntax of create table statement, and in that side you can see example for create table. I get it from our lecture slides. When we use create table statement, we should consider about some conditions. You can see it using my points. The table name must be unique, column must be defined, should be mentioned table constraints, foreign keys, and primary key. We face little problems when we use this create table statement. We miss the letters and some attributes. Sometimes we forget to add foreign key. Those are the main mistakes we did. As a solution to that, we first keep a screenshot of the lecture slide example. Once our eyes were trained to hunt the trouble, we didn't use it. On the right, you see what table we have created. They are employee, allocations, activity, action, and supervisor. Now I come to insert into clause. You can see syntax left side of slide. Insert into clause used to insert data into the table. Sometimes we missed the rules of putting values. We observed carefully to catch that mistake. Where clause. Where clause used to filter the records. If we won't get many conditions with where clause, we can use or and logical operators. You can see syntax of the where clause and some point about it on the slide. I get this syntax from W3 School website. Although the where clause is a commonly used clause, we only needed to use it once in our assignment. You can see it on the right side of the slide. We didn't do any mistake when we used where clause. Additional facts. When we create supervised expertise table, it was not easy to find how to do it because of our all group members didn't have idea about it clearly. Therefore, we watched the lecture slide and our lecture videos again and get a good idea about it, and finally we did it. I should mention it, if you are doing an assignment, consider the due date carefully. Sometimes you do your assignment well, but check your mistakes again and again. We faced that problem. We did our assignment day before, but we didn't check our assignment again and again. Once we check it and didn't give attention to it, in final hours we check it normally and we find many errors and we try to fix them quickly. We had to dedicate many hours for fixed it. Finally we submitted it before 2 minutes near the due time. Really, it is a big risk. According to my experience, I say do your assignment several days before and check it several days before. It is good help to minimize that big risk to you. I shared my experience and knowledge about SQL using oral presentation according to our assignment. Now I think you can get a good idea about my knowledge and experience. Thank you for watching my oral presentation.